Look, what if just 10 to 30 minutes a day could reshape your stomach before September ends? Now show dynamic text, September Flat Belly Calendar with glowing calendar animations flipping through the dates. A done-for-you system that guarantees a flatter, firmer belly in just 30 days. No matter how busy you are, if you can spare just 10 to 30 minutes per day, you can transform your midsection. By the end of September, your waistline will be visibly slimmer, your core strength will be noticeably improved, and what's most important, you'll feel incredible about your progress. But why does this calendar work? Well, at its core, it leverages the power of habit stacking. Doing tiny things consistently over time leads to remarkable results. Science shows that short but consistent core sessions improve fat burn, posture, and digestion. That's why we've created this month-long plan with different workouts for all levels, requiring no extra equipment. So let's dive into the magic of the September calendar. We've designed a simple structure. On the first tab, you'll find the beginner days, 10 minutes each. These routines focus on standing abs and light core twists to activate your abdominal muscles while improving flexibility. Plus, we incorporate breathing exercises that help reduce stress and promote relaxation. This is where you want to start even if you're a seasoned gym goer. Why? Because these shorter sessions allow you to focus on proper form and gradually build endurance. And hey, if you're pressed for time, the 10-minute routines are your go-to. Now, let's flip to the intermediate days, 20 minutes each. These workouts include exercises like bicycle crunches, plank variations, and side bends. You'll engage more muscles, elevate your heart rate, and torch more calories. If you find the beginner level too easy, start here. But remember, it's all about quality over quantity. Even if you only have 20 minutes, ensure you're giving it your all. And finally, the advanced days, 30 minutes each. Here, you'll face challenges like HIIT circuits, weighted Russian twists, and mountain climbers. These intense routines will push your limits and help you achieve maximum results. If you're super fit and looking for an ultimate core challenge, dive right in. But be warned, these sessions are not for the faint of heart. They're designed to help you get leaner and stronger than ever before. The beauty of this calendar lies in its rotation. Every Monday we begin with a beginner day, Tuesday, intermediate, and Wednesday, advanced. Then the cycle repeats, gradually increasing the intensity throughout the week. By Friday, you'll feel like a true core crusher. Visual overlay. Day 1 to 10-minute core, ignition. Day 2, 2 OMIN, fat burn flow, etc. Each week has its own focus. Week 1 is all about building momentum. It's about getting into the rhythm of working out consistently, so we keep the intensity low and help you build that habit of exercising regularly. Week 2 is when we crank up the core definition. We introduce dynamic planks, oblique work, and exercises that really help you feel the burn. As you progress through the weeks, the intensity builds. Week 3 is all about melting away the fat with HIIT. Think burpees, jump squats, and fast bicycle crunches. This is where we push your cardiovascular fitness to the limit. Week 4 is our peak challenge. We mix up the 10, 20, and 30-minute routines to keep you on your toes and shock your system. The last few days of the month are dedicated to active recovery. We wind down with yoga and stretching to help your body recover and prepare for the next challenge. Visual: a cup of oats topped with fresh berries. Quick tip: fuel your body with a fiber-rich breakfast like oats. Stay hydrated throughout the day and avoid snacking late at night. A healthy gut also aids digestion. So incorporate probiotics and fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi into your meals. Remember, small changes make a big difference. We've made it super easy to track your progress. Simply tick off each day on our printable or digital calendar. Seeing your accomplishments will motivate you to keep going. Don't forget to journal. Note your waist measurements, how you feel, your mood and energy levels. Each day is a new opportunity to become stronger and healthier. As you journey through the September calendar, keep these words of encouragement close by. Day 15, feeling lighter already. Day 22, stronger core, flatter belly. Day 28, almost there. Keep crushing it. Remember, every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. So are you ready to take charge of your health and well-being? Don't wait for another Monday. Start today. Your September belly reset begins now. Tell us in the comments which day was hardest for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't miss our next one. Flat stomach in 10 minutes, standing abs. Click the link in the description and watch next.